Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 2017 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to find and select the phone's dialer right here. Let's activate the keypad and let's start by checking the version of the phone. So let's input the star pound 1, 2, 3, 4 and pound. As you can see, the version of the phone just pops up. Here you can read the AP, CP, CSC number, model number and other stuff. Let's go back and let's check the software and the hardware version. So the main version of the phone, let's type in the star pound 12580 star 369 pound. As you can see, the main version just pops up. Here you can read the AP, CP as it was previous and also some other data. Let's go back. This time let me check the test mode. Let me open the test mode. Let's use the star pound 7353 pound. As you can see, the test mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose melody. You can test vibration, speaker, diming and other stuff such as camera, Bluetooth, dot mode, light sensor and other hardware features. Let's go back by using your back arrow and you may also have access to another testing menu. Let's use the star pound 0 star pound. And as you can see, the following mode pops up. Here you can test, for example, all colors of the screen: red, green, blue. You may test the receiver, also the vibration and other stuff such as diming, sensors, speakers, sleep, touch, sub key, front camera, low frequency and other stuff as well. Let's go back. Let me quit this test mode. And this time let me check the service mode. So let's use the star pound 0011 pound. As you can see, service mode just pops up. Here you can read the information or choose more key in order to, for example, have some help or use key input. Let's go back and this time let me open the battery status. So let's use the star pound 0228 and pound. As you can see, this is the battery status. You can read the voltage, level blocks and other stuff as well. Let's go back. This time let me open the USB settings mode. Let's use the star pound 0808 pound. As you can see, USB settings pops up. Here you can change USB settings, change USB mode and read what USB settings you are using. Let's go back. Let me quit the USB settings mode and this time let me check the email number by using the secret code. All you have to do is use the star pound 06 pound and as you can see, the email number just pops up. You can also read the serial number and use the barcodes to these identifiers. Let's tap OK to close this window and let's go back. Now you can use your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.